Alright, good day, students. As you can see, you are required to find the value of x. So, if you look at the diagram, you will see that there are 2 seconds from an external point. This 1 second, this is another second from the same external point. We know that the products of 2 seconds of a circle from the same external point are equal. The products of 2 seconds of a circle from the same external point are equal. So what does that mean? This is a first second. Here is another second. If I label here B, label here C, label here D, the second here is, and then I can label here maybe E, and then I label here this point here Q. So the theory states that BC, the product of second, this is 1 second, and here is another second. This is the first, a row of 1 second, another one is here. It's the first second for the upper one. Here is another second. So the theory is that the product of 2 seconds of a circle from the same external point B are equal. This implies that BC multiplying, in this case multiplying BC plus what? CD is equals to BE multiplying the product of BE plus, in this case, EQ. That is what the theory states. So with this knowledge, we can find the value of x. So this implies that 6 in bracket 6 plus 2 is the same as 3x in bracket 3x plus what? X. So once we have written the equation, the next thing is to simplify the terms. So here we have 6 plus 2 will give us 8. 8 times 6 will give us 48. 3, you can sum this immediately, and this gives us 4x. So 3x times 4x will give us 12x squared. We know that we can make s squared the subject of the formula by dividing by 12, and when we do that we have 4. So in this case, s squared is equals to 4. Since s squared is equals to 4, the next thing you have to do is to find the square root of both sides. Square root of both sides, or rather square root of the equation. If you find the square root of the equation, in this case you have x to be equals to plus or minus the square root of 4, and that will give us plus or minus 2. So you come here, x is equals to plus or minus 2. So when you are measuring length, you know that length cannot be equals to, cannot have a negative value. In that case, x is not equal to minus 2 because we are measuring a length. Therefore x is equals to 2. If you want to, you can put unit SI unit. So x is equals to what? 2 units. That is the value of x here. S is equals to 2 units. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Before you go, you click the subscribe button. It is free. You can rate me so as to encourage me to do more, bring more videos for your views. Like and share. Others will be aware of what I'm giving to you freely. Click the subscribe button whenever there is no update. You will be the first person to receive the max video. See you in the next lesson. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Bye for now.